How to improve blood circulation to the brain. Many people suffer with a lack of oxygen in the brain because they have poor blood circulation and eat too many junk foods. The brain uses around 25% of the total oxygen taken in by the human body. If the brain doesn't get enough oxygen, it can lead to mental weakness, depression, lack of concentration, poor memory, sleep apnea, and fatigue. In today's video, we will share with you 12 ways to increase blood circulation and oxygen to the brain. Following these methods will help to boost mental power and build strong neural pathways. 1. Aerobic exercise. Performing any exercise that gets the heart pumping is called aerobic exercise or cardio. We recommend daily walking, jogging, or biking, as these cause more blood to circulate around the body and into the brain. This leads to higher oxygen levels in the brain and has been linked to better memory. 2. Vitamin C. Many people are deficient in vitamin C, which makes you feel out of breath regularly, and the legs will often feel heavier when you walk or climb stairs. Eat more vegetables each day, such as leafy greens, cabbage, bell peppers, and kale, to boost vitamin C. This is important for preventing plaque in the arteries and helping blood and oxygen to reach the brain. 3. Intermittent fasting. This is a simple diet trick where you eat all of your daily calories in an 8-hour window during the day. This triggers a cleaning process in the brain where it can regenerate cells and grow new neurons. This boosts blood circulation, mental focus, and oxygenation of brain tissue. 4. Prolonged fasting. This is to be performed around 4 times per year, where you abstain from eating for 24 hours and drink only herbal teas and water. Within 24 hours, the body triggers a process called autophagy. Misfolded proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease and other diseases are broken down by the brain and discarded. 5. Herbs. We highly recommend consuming more fresh herbs and spices on a daily basis. Rosemary, ginger, turmeric, ginseng, garlic, sage, and ashwagandha all improve brain health. Herbs are rich in natural phytonutrients that open the blood vessels to get more blood into the brain. They reduce the risk of memory loss and dementia with age. 6. Yoga. This is an ancient art which originated in India thousands of years ago. This involves lots of deep breathing and gentle posture exercises designed to build mental balance. Yoga calms the nervous system and enhances blood supply to the neurons in the brain. 7. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy. This is a therapy which involves laying in a tank and breathing in almost 100% pure oxygen. Gentle pressure forces oxygen into the lungs and blood cells which reach the tissues in the brain. This is excellent for reversing hypoxia, where pockets of the brain may be lacking oxygen. This can help to reverse damage from stroke and sleep apnea. 8. Keto diet. A healthy ketogenic diet is becoming more popular nowadays and has been scientifically shown to improve oxygenation of the brain. When we go into fat burning, your body makes ketones. These are the primary fuel source for the brain and make you think more clearly with razor-sharp focus. Running the body on ketones increases O2 and reduces CO2. 9. Reduce sugar. Eating sugar and refined grains causes insulin resistance in the body and brain. This prevents the brain cells from getting the energy that they need, which leads to brain fog and confusion. Cut out these foods and consume extra virgin coconut oil, avocado, and wild-caught salmon to reverse sugar damage. 10. Restore sleep. Unfortunately, many people suffer with sleep problems, which causes problems for the brain over time. You can restore healthy deep sleep patterns by taking valerian root capsules, drinking passion flower tea, meditating, and performing relaxation exercises. Restoring sleep helps the brain to restore and refresh itself each day. 11. DHA. Wild-caught salmon, sardines, herring, and virgin cod liver oil supply lots of DHA, an important omega-3 fatty acid. This is used as raw material to repair and build the structure of the brain. Consuming these foods boosts brain oxygenation, electrical activity in the brain, and boosts cerebral metabolism of nutrients. 12. EDTA. This is a wonderful supplement that you can take on an empty stomach once or twice per week. This removes heavy metals from the body like iron or mercury, which may be poisoning your brain. It also helps to unclog arteries and boost blood flow to the brain and sharper vision. As you can see, there are many ways to boost blood circulation to the brain and increase brain health. Try some of these out and you will soon begin to notice better focus, memory and energy levels. You may also experience better sleep patterns as more oxygen reaches the brain. Keeping oxygen levels high in the brain reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's or dementia. They also reduce the risk of stroke, heart attacks and generally boost your quality of life. To learn more about specific foods that boost brain health and which foods to avoid, please see our playlist entitled Healthy Brain at the end of today's video. Thank you very much for listening, a like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.